If you're experiencing audio desync issues in GTA 5, follow these steps to troubleshoot and fix the problem. This guide will help you restore proper audio synchronization in the game. Step 1. Check game settings. Ensure that your audio settings in GTA 5 are configured correctly. Go to the game settings menu, navigate to the audio section, and verify that the correct audio output device is selected. Step 2. Update audio drivers. Outdated or corrupted audio drivers can cause desync issues. Visit your computer manufacturer's website or the audio hardware manufacturer's site to download and install the latest drivers for your audio device. Step 3. Verify game files. Corrupted game files can lead to various issues, including audio problems. If you're using a platform like Steam or Epic Games, use the built-in feature to verify the integrity of the game files and repair any discrepancies. Step 4. Adjust audio sample rate. Sometimes adjusting the audio sample rate can resolve desync issues. Right-click the speaker icon in the taskbar, select Sounds, go to the Playback tab, choose your audio device, click Properties, and under the Advanced tab, change the sample rate to 24-bit, 48,000 HD. Step 5. Disable background applications. Background applications can interfere with game performance and audio. Close any unnecessary programs running in the background, especially those that use audio resources, to see if this resolves the desync issue. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the audio desync problem in GTA 5. If the issue persists, consider seeking further assistance from online forums or support communities.